Hello friends, this is Abhishek Thakur and I welcome you all to Strategic Talks. As earlier told that we will be providing free screeners in English version also. So this video is in English and there's no need to watch again for the people who have watched the Hindi version of the flag pattern screener. So in this video we'll be providing you the flag pattern screener. Plus I'll be explaining a strategy that is giving a very good return in the market. So let's start this video without wasting much time, and I hope you will like the content. If you really like our videos, please subscribe and do wait for more interesting videos. Thank you. So friends, there are two scripts. One is bull bear flag indicator and the second one is bull bear flag screener. You'll get the link for both of these in the description box. So when you will add them to your chart, the system will ask for a valid password. The password for the system is 060220. Let me enter the password for you. And that is 60220. So add the password to both the charts. 60220. Right. So by default the screener will only scan the live present candle. So if you want to backtest the system, what you can do is you can select show all results, and in that case the system will scan all the candles. You can see in the chart as well the flags are being checked, and parallelly you can see and backtest based on your requirements. If you don't know anything about flag pattern or pennant patterns, you can search the YouTube. If you know Hindi, this is the link for my explanation on the flag pattern, and also I have provided a strategy for this. So just like this you will be able to see all the screeners, but this is not in good format. So what I'll do is I'll click this and remove the inline result display option so that the representation is good. So now as you can see the representation is much better. You can read all the stock informations. So can it scan all the market? The answer is no. The maximum number of stocks that it can scan is 40. That is a decision by Tradingview itself, not from the code. So just like the example shown here, there's a bear flag shown here, and you can check the Asian paid. It is finding the Asian paid bull bear flag. So what are the settings for these indicator and screener? Let me show you quickly. There is I have set the customized option. You can change it based on your requirement. Many people train the flag pattern differently, so obviously it's based on your requirement what you want to trade with. So first of all, the flagpole height. This is the flagpole height. I can change it if I want. Let's say I set it to 10, right? So this scanner will not scan now this stock because according to it the flagpole height is not sufficient. So let me set it to 3 because by default it is 3. Then the pole top extension value is 1.5. You can change it, and accordingly you will come to know what is the basic difference of these parameters. So I have created this indicator to let you know what these settings can make the changes in the effect. So if I set it to 5, accordingly this will shift, and let's say the default is 1.5. Then the consolidation range of the flag, I prefer 28 actually, because based on my backtesting the value of 28 is giving us pretty good results. So when you change this flagpole, let me show you. Some people prefer 50 retracement, So when I set it to 50, so this retracement value is increased. Now it is checking for 50% of flagpole height retracement. So I prefer it as 28, and then you will check for consolidation. It's up to you. You can scan for 10 bars consolidation, you can scan for 3 bars consolidation, but minimum 3 is required. I prefer 5. So just keep an eye on this flag. It will shift when I set it to 5. So the flag has shifted because it is checking for now 5 bars of consolidation. So when the range will be between this flag for the 5 bars, then the screener will scan the stock. So that is the basic pretty condition. Parallelly, I have added some more parameters to this. What are those? One is the EMA filter. What is this EMA filter? Basically, it is telling you in the scan condition whether the stock is above some certain EMA length. So let's assume I have set the EMA length to 100 and I select this EMA filter. In that scenario, while in the uptrend, the screener will scan only the stocks which are above the 100 EMA. Then there is the volume filter. What is this filter? This is with the volume multiplier. Basically, it is checking for the flagpole volume. So either the volume is greater than some average volume. So 1.5 means the volume at the flagpole is 1.5 times the average volume. So basically, we want that the volume should be high in the flagpole. So for that, it is the default value is set as 1.5, and I have not checked this as default. Then you have the option for bull scan, bear scan, and both scans. These 4 parameters are same as mentioned earlier, and also we have option to change all the 40 symbols for which we want to scan the stocks. So this is all about the indicator and screener. I have pretty much done the hard work for this. So if you really like it, please do subscribe us and do like us, and comment us below that what are your requirements for further screeners and indicators. So that's it for the first part. In this part, we have provided you the indicator as well as the screener. In the second part, we will be providing you the strategy for this flag pattern, which has given us very good returns for the last 10 years. So do subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss the content, and I hope you will fall in love with the content. So please do follow us and motivate us. Thank you everyone, and do comment for your more clarifications. Thank you, tada, bye bye, take care.